This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi with our dear channel, beloved countrymen. It is my earnest request to you. Your words comes out of your thoughts and your action reflects your personality. Be a good citizen of India. Constitution has given protection for everyone. Irrespective of caste, creed, race and religion, you are secure in India. But be dignified citizen of India. Don't just use Constitution as a shield to protect you, to give you the right of equality, and try to strike at the very basic fabrics, the foundational stone of integrity, unity, sovereignty of Mother India. It has been observed recently that you are creating chaos, confusion through tweets, through your action, through your non-tolerant attitude. You want to create absolute anarchy, and you are trying to destroy the fabrics of peace, love, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, loyalty towards your motherland. This is not going to be everlasting solutions for your ignorance, foolishness, groveling thoughts. Whosoever, from whichever caste, creed, race, or religion you are, you have to be a patriotic citizen of India. You have to love your motherland. You have to do every sacrifice to see that we are all united together. Then only you are deserving to be a worthy citizen of India. Just not to tell Constitution, because you seek right of equality. You may be majority, you may be minority, but even the minority have equal rights with the majority. And I tell you, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. It is elected. And who will be elected? The elected will be those who are in majority. And so if you create such kind of confusion, chaos in this country, then majority will definitely be dominant. And if you are hurting the sentiments of the majority, how can you survive, my friend? Be wise. Learn from the best, from your community, from your faith and belief. And never try to destroy the fabrics of unity, integrity, humility, sympathy and understanding, keen sense of justice for everyone. Be a patriotic Indian. I love all of you. I have friends, 140 crores Indians. You all have to be wise. You all have to be enlightened. You have to be educated. You have to be patriotic. You cannot afford to be anarchists, to be violent, to be liars, cheats, and demons with attitude of the jungle beasts, hyenas, wild dogs, wolves, lions and tigers. You cannot prey upon the basic fabrics of the unity, integrity, harmony of the motherland. And who can ensure that? It can be ensured by the government. The government has to be doing justice. Justice, reward for the good job. Punish severely for their evil thoughts. Unless the government is active, these ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, useless fellows, they don't know what is right and wrong. They will definitely try their best to destroy India. We have to be vigilant. India is a motherland for 140 crores people. We don't see caste, creed, race and religion. We see only the attitude of such persons. Stop them. Teach them lessons. They should not be allowed to behave like that. That is not tolerable. Learn from Modi. Tolerance, peace, love, patriotic feelings. If India is there, we are there. If India is not there, where we shall go? Where you will go? Who will give you shelter? In this motherland, you have fresh air. You have philosophy of tolerance, patience, peace. Everything you are getting in this country. But you are acting against the welfare, the growth, the prosperity of this country. I'm very sorry. If you're a true leader, don't be biased and prejudiced. Thank you, viewers.